Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Seller Central Payout Banking, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Amazon Seller Central Payout Banking, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on Account Info from the drop-down options that appear. Look for the section labeled Payment Information. Under this section, find Bank Account Information and click on it. You will see an option to add or edit your bank account information. Select Add a Bank Account to start the process. Fill in the required details, including your account holder name, bank account number, and routing number. Make sure the information you enter is accurate to avoid payment delays. Next, choose the type of account you are linking, either checking or savings. You may also be asked to enter the bank's name and address. After entering all the necessary details, review the information to ensure its correctness. When you are satisfied with the information, click on Continue or Save. Amazon may require you to verify your identity Follow the prompts for identity verification, which may include providing additional documentation. Once your identity has been verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account will then be added to your Seller Central profile. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for Amazon to process this information. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your bank account authorization status. After verification, your payouts will be directed to the newly authorized bank account. Always check your account settings periodically to ensure everything remains up to date. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon Seller Support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.